Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to do shake tutorials on CapCut Easy. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is zoom in all the way. Now click on Effects, Video Effects, then head over to Nightclub and look for Black Flash 2. Now set the speed and intensity to 20. Next, add a keyframe at the start and end point of the clip, and zoom in a little bit on the last keyframe. Now head over to Animations, and choose Top Left Swing for the in animation. Then set it to 0.3 seconds. And for the out animation, select Fade Out. And set it to 0.3 seconds as well. Now head over to Effects again, and this time, add Shake. Now decrease the length of the effect to the very minimum. Now add another shake effect, but this time make the length the same as the first clip. Now click on Adjust and set the speed and intensity to 7. Now go to Effects again and look for Oblique Blur under Opening and Closing and adjust it to about 75. Then reduce the length to the very minimum. Now click on Duplicate 2 times, and as you can see, we now have 3 oblique blurs. Now add another oblique blur and move it all the way here next to this one. Then adjust the length, reduce it to the very minimum, and click on Adjust and set the blur to about 50. Then click on Duplicate and move this one right below this one. Now add one more oblique blur and put it next to this one. Then adjust the length to the very minimum. Then click on Adjust and set the blur to about 25. Now we're almost done, we just have to do one more thing. Head over to Overlay, click on Add Overlay, click on Library, then search up White. Click on Type, and select Photo. Now click on this one, then Add. Now adjust it so it covers up the whole video. Then adjust the length so it's the same as the clip. Now click on Splice and select Overlay. Then head over to Animations and set the out animation to Fade Out. Then set it to the maximum length. And that's it. This is the result. Now it's obviously not that good because I only did it on one clip, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.